Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing a solution to the problem in which you get an alert saying that your PC ran into a problem and needs to restart. I'm going to be going through two different methods in which you can hopefully remedy this issue. The first one being, let's head over to our start menu. We want to type in power options. We want to select this option. This is power options. You want to left click on that option. Now on the left side here, left click on choose what the power button does. Depending on what version of Windows you are running, there might be additional options down here. If there's anything other than lock, uncheck it. So if you have other options, make sure they are all unchecked if they are underneath shutdown settings, except for lock. Keep lock checkmarked, and left click on save changes. We can close out of that. And now what we want to do is head back over to the start button, type in system, left click on system, left click on advanced system settings on the left panel here. Under the advanced tab, left click on the settings button that's within the startup and recovery box. Under write debugging information, click on this little drop down arrow and then left click on small memory dump 128 kilobytes. Left click on OK. Left click on OK again, close out of this, and then when you restart your computer, everything should be back up and running. So I hope this tutorial helped you guys out, and I will see you in the next video.